Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a home security or the home security accessory widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Now in here, tap on the left image to customize, and then tap on the widget panel here at the bottom. In here, we scroll down and then tap on Home. Next, swipe to the left until you see it said Security. This will allow you to add in the security widget to see a summary of the security accessory in your home. So I tap on that and that will get added to the widget panel. Now I'm going to remove one of the widgets which I don't use. And then if you want to add in your security accessory, you keep swiping it to the left. And from here, you can drag or you can tap on this widget, on the security accessory widget, and that will get added to your widget panel on the lock screen. And that's it. After that, tap on the close button, then tap on the close button again right next to add widgets. And finally, tap on the done button to save the changes. Now, if you have installed any security devices in your home that is compatible with the home setup on your Apple phone, it will show those information on your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.